Nice looking dogs. A couple of real cuties out there.
Are you still at the gym? Yeah, Friday's my last day. Where are you going? Back to the
Hey, here comes Wendy. Next, I can just Wendy. Look, Wendy.
Our next entry is the Olympic bird fanciers. Parrots of the Gilligans Island by Olympic bird fanciers. Olympic bird fanciers here to educate, entertain, and support bird owners and the public through community outreach and example. Help bird owners properly keep healthy, happy birds as pets and preserve their wild native bird population and their habitats.
That's the USS Minnow, bud.
Is that Gilligan? I think maybe.
I just bought a house.
How's he doing that?
Be sure to look inside that cage. There's a couple of gorgeous, bright, I think, parrots. Speaking of parrots, we see a couple on a bike here in a gentleman's hand. This is Wendy's, the old-fashioned hamburgers on Ridgetop Boulevard in Silverdale, next to the Kitsap Credit Union's brand new office. Come and try their Asian boneless wings in a frosty chino shape. I don't see any samples that you're providing.